Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riku.
And Matt.
We're gonna go to Asian Market and Walmart.
Shoe pods.
And what was it called?
Shirataki.
It's no shiratake yo.
No, I know. Shiratake noodles.
今の気持ちを教えてください。
This looks pretty good. Yeah. This is good stuff.
Yep. And what it called?
Shiratake noodles. Just kidding.
It's shirataki.
Just kidding. I know now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Wait. What's the word?
You say oi?
No, I was gonna say wait. No, I always forget how to say this. How do you say to like put away in Japanese? It's like
片付けて
no. There's another word like to put something somewhere.
置いて
Something oite. It's like a combination of two verbs. What was it?
置いてきて
No, I thought it was like
何片付けてでしょ
no. Like how do you say like okay put? How do you say put this in the fridge in
冷
Japanese?
蔵庫に入れて
I thought there's another word for it though.
何
Like what about on the shelf? Like put this in the shelf or something.
棚に入れて棚に置いて
Okay, I guess I'm just thinking oite. But I thought there's like a combination of something oite.
うん入れておいて
Maybe I don't know. お願いします。
お願いします